This is the prairie king snake. It's a medium-sized snake, fairly common over most of the state of Missouri. Like all snakes, they're covered in scales, and they even have a clear scale or spectacle over their eyes. The overall color of the prairie king snake is brownish or greenish-gray, and they have dark brown blotches down the back and sides, which are usually brown or reddish or greenish-brown, and then they're outlined in black. The belly of the snake is more cream-colored and has some brown markings on it. Usually the top of the head has a V or U-shaped marking on it in the prairie king snake. When alarmed, a prairie king snake will vibrate its tail to make it sound like a rattle, and if captured, it may try to bite to defend itself, but its bite is harmless. It has belly scales called scutes that help it to move around and slither and get from place to place. The scutes on the underside of the tail are divided, and that's one of the ways we can tell it's not a venomous species. In Missouri, we only have 5 venomous species, and this is not one of them. In fact, the prairie king snake has been known to eat venomous snakes, and they're immune to their venom, which is pretty cool. This prairie king snake is about 3 feet when stretched out, almost its full length of up to 3.5 feet. They live in prairies and open woods, but also along field edges, on rocky wooded hillsides, near farm buildings. They might seek protection under logs or rocks or use animal burrows that are already made. This species begins to be active in April, so it's right on schedule. Prairie king snakes are an important species because they eat rodents and lizards and even other snakes, including venomous species like I mentioned before. This snake was probably looking for lizards on our porch when we found it, and we have lots of small skinks out here that would provide a good food source for him. Prairie king snakes and their eggs, on the other hand, provide a good food source for mammals and birds in the area. We love having them around and are very thankful for our prairie king snakes here in Missouri.